Here's day 2, problem 1. A polygon is graphed below. It is reflected over the line y equals x. Graph the image. So the line y equals x is drawn. It's this dashed line with slope 1. We want to take this four-sided shape and reflect it to the other side of the line. So the way you do that is to move each corner. Move directly to the line of reflection so that you are creating a 90-degree angle when you reach the line of reflection. And then continue to the other side the same distance. There's the dot where point S moves, and we call that S prime. We're going to do that with every corner. So for example, point A, it's 2 diagonal units to get to the line of reflection. So continue 2 diagonal units to the other side, and there is the image of A called A prime. Okay, now point J, it is 1, 2, 3.5 units to the line of reflection. Let's continue in that same direction. There's the half, and then 1, 2, 3. Here is where J prime ends up. And finally, point T. It is 1, 2, 3.5. And so we're going to go 3.5 on the other side. So there's the half, and then 1, 2, 3. Here is T prime. You can see that as I moved my pen, it kind of left traces of ink on the paper, and that every time I reach the line of reflection, it is a perfect 90-degree angle box where I'm crossing the line of reflection. Because that line goes at an uphill angle on a diagonal through the corner of the grid squares, I knew that to be perpendicular, I wanted to go at an angle through the corner of the grid squares like this. Only thing left to do is connect these dots together and we'll have the four-sided shape. So right up here is our reflection of the original picture. Now we're also asked, what are the coordinates of point A prime? Point A prime is located right there. Here in the center is the origin. So it's 1 to the left and then 3 up. So that is -1, 3. Now day 2, problem 2. Triangles are marked below. Congruent parts are marked. Are the triangles congruent? So let's pay attention to what sides and angles of the first triangle are marked as being congruent to corresponding sides and angles in the second triangle. This side and this side are matched. This side and this side are matched. We even have a loop and a loop. But pay careful attention. The position of this angle with the loop is not the same as where the angle with the loop is in the other triangle. So these are not congruent because the correct parts don't correspond with each other.